Very interesting to see the family of goose. This whole pack here is watching over the goslings. These are the goslings, and you can see all the plumage that are coming when we feed them. Maybe last month they were just small ones, and now they're grown, and they are keeping these ducks away from their family because they don't want this geese to steal the food from their babies. So protecting that. And also there are mallard duck, another family there, and they were this family making sure that the babies get the food that we feed them. We're feeding them corn, and those are rice there, the white, and they're keeping the ducks away. And also the other family of geese right here. It's interesting.